Looking for a simple way to reduce plastic waste in your kitchen? The Compostic Home Compostable Resealable Sandwich Bags really hold up for everyday use. From packing lunches to storing leftovers, they perform well in the microwave and freezer, and they're a great swap for traditional plastic bags. Perfect for busy moms, families, and anyone trying to make more eco-friendly choices at home. You can learn more in our link in the description below.
So these are the compostable sandwich bags. There's 60 in this box that I got off of Amazon. I'll put a link. And you can reuse them, compost them. They'll break down quicker than an orange peel, what it says on the bag. They are biodegradable, great size. They're leak proof, which is really great. And try these if you want to switch from plastic. They're really nice. They're like kind of like a Ziploc bag. You can open them. And put your stuff inside. It's a good size for whatever you want to hold in there. You can put dates on there and contents. So if you're putting them in the freezer, they are resealable, BPA free. They're strong and reliable, according to the box. And like I said, the great thing about them is they're leak proof, and they're a lot more strong than you would think. I've seen someone fill them up with water and seal them and hold them upside down, and it looks like they really are good to use. I'm going to use them probably more for, kind of like berries or fruit or leftovers and that kind of stuff, but you can use them for sandwich bags, for everyday use, for leftovers. And if you look on their website, they are on Amazon, you'll see that they have some different sizes. So move away from plastic and take a look at these. They're something that you can help out with the environment and also have a sturdier bag that you can reuse and not just throw plastic away every time you have leftovers or something that you have in a bag. And also that can save you money. You're not buying plastic bags all the time.
Ready to ditch plastic? I got this pack from Amazon and they are a total game changer. They are non-toxic, super strong, and break down faster than an orange peel. They are leak-proof and resealable, perfect for snacks, leftovers, or even freezing fruit. I love that I can write the date right on the bag. It feels way better than throwing away plastic every single day.
Introducing Compostic bags. Leak-proof, durable, and great for sandwiches. Plus, they break down faster than an orange peel.